stop. Before you buy SimpliSafe, here's what you need to know in 60 seconds. I unboxed and set up the SimpliSafe base and sensors in minutes. Motion and door sensors registered instantly during our on-site tests. Cameras captured sharp daytime detail and usable night footage with infrared. The app is clean and responsive. Here's the live camera and alert flow. A few hiccups, Wi-Fi drops, and a sensor that needed repairing. Pros: easy setup, strong device quality, and fast local alerts. Cons: subscription required for professional monitoring and cloud video storage. As of 2026, premium monitoring starts at $12 a month and video adds more. Compared to Ring and ADT, SimpliSafe is simpler but less feature-rich. If you want straightforward home security without contracts, SimpliSafe is a solid pick. Subscribe for more honest 2026 reviews and hit the bell for updates.